Hey guys, well, this is so unusual in late January, having some severe thunderstorms. We usually have storms like this in the springtime. And would you even believe it, it's hailing. It looks like we're only getting pea-sized hail. See, I've been wondering why it's been so warm lately. Today it was just really humid outside. Got up to about 78 degrees. And it was just really humid. So I came outside earlier. Clouds started getting really dark from the west, and then I started feeling some cold air. Whoa! There was a lightning bolt that was just right over there. Too bad I didn't catch that on camera. That scared me though, too. Usually around this time my mother usually leaves work. It's about 3:30 p.m. right now, but my mother, she just called me, said that she's going to stick around for a little bit since this storm is moving over in her direction, because she works, her job is just right out near Dallas. And my dad works over in Fort Worth. I don't know if my dad usually gets home around this time. He could have decided to stick around at work too. Yeah. It looked like it just stopped hailing though too. Yeah. Whoa. There's another lightning bolt further to the right. Yeah, not that much hail like I did when I took a video, let's see, a couple years ago. We had a bit of a hailstorm. Had larger stones. I think they were about the size of nickels. These were about maybe the size of peas. So it looks like all we're getting now is just rain. See, my grandparents were just at their house and they went back to their farm today, which I really think they should have just stayed down here because, well, from where their farm is just further north up along Grayson County, and up in Grayson County they had issued a tornado watch, but I haven't yet heard of any tornadoes yet. But the problem with up at their farm, see, they have a mobile home. It's a double wide, but luckily they do have a storm cellar. It looked like the rain is now beginning to die down. This storm system is moving really quick. then once it moves through, then we're going to start getting cold temperatures. I think they're going to drop down into the 40s. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just hope y'all enjoyed this little video. So thanks for watching.